Former Zimbabwe Republic Police Officer Otaura Fambi has officially entered the political arena, launching his new party, the National Progressive Democrats (NPD), on Wednesday in Harare. Sanabira mashoko buda panguva ino vakomana vobanyira vachiti, from police uniform to politics, Fambi takes on ZANU-PF. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The launch themed building a capable democratic developmental state to empower citizens and improve living standards marked Fambi's formal declaration to challenge ZANU-PF's long-standing dominance in national politics. Fambi, who retired from the police service in July 2025, said his decision to leave the force followed his public criticism of the government. He accused authorities of prioritizing aid to Mozambique, as Zimbabweans were sinking deeper into poverty. Following the remarks, he was expelled from Chikato police camp in Masvingo. Addressing supporters and journalists at the launch, Fambi said the NPD was built from the genuine desire for change. The NPD is not an offshoot or a continuation of an existing political party. It is born from people's consensus that the current ZANU-PF system is corrupt, corrosive, and oppressive, he said. He also took aim at Zimbabwe's partnerships with the Chinese mining firms, warning that unchecked resources exploitation was impoverishing the nation. If we do not act wisely as the ballot, the Sino-Zim relations will continue to erode our minerals and devastate our environment. Unsustainable mineral extraction, exploitation of our people, and the resource expropriation by Chinese firms continues unchecked. The effects will be felt for generations unless we stand up now and put an end to this madness. Fambi declared that his party envisions a Zimbabwe free from the grip of the present dictatorial elite. Ended. Our plan may differ in execution from past efforts, but our goal is the same: a just, accountable, and prosperous nation for all citizens. The launch of the NPD introduced a new player to Zimbabwe's crowded political field, one positioning itself as a bold challenger to ZANU-PF ahead of the next elections. A police officer now akujoina politics out of our political party. I can bring some food and more to with this development. In the comment section, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.